How to recall mail in Outlook app. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open your preferred browser first. I will open Google Chrome. In the search bar, search for outlook.live.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Outlook. Here, make sure you are logged in. Once logged in the left side toolbar, you will see the option for sent items. Tap on that and you will find all the sent mails of that particular month. Tap on the desired mail that you want to recall. You will see three dots there. Tap on that and then tap on Other Reply Actions. Here you will find the option of Recall this message. Tap on it, then you'll get the option to delete unread copies of this message or to delete unread copies and replace them with a new message. You need to select the first option and then tap on OK, and this is how you can recall mail in Outlook app. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.